Hey DIYers, Dylan here with Alarm Grid. Today we're going to review how do I install my PROWIFI or PROWIFIZW module into the PROA7 panel. For this we're going to use the PROA7 panel just because we have this lying around. The process is the same for both, so the steps you're going to see in this video apply to that panel as well. Okay, so we have our PROA7 panel here. This is going to be essentially the same thing as the PROA7 panel minus the camera, but the process for installing the Wi-Fi module is the same for both. First thing we want to do is turn off the panel. So to do that, we're going to remove the power supply as well as the backup battery. So I'm going to turn this around here. Okay, so to remove the back plate, so if this is on a wall mount, you want to remove the screw at the bottom here. I've already removed that. And then you can separate the panel from the back plate by simply just pulling on it. Let me just silence the tamper.
Disarmed, ready to arm.
Okay, so we exposed the inside of the panel. So here is our power supply, here is our backup battery. So I'm going to remove the power supply. Okay, and then I'm going to remove the battery. Okay, let me just check. No power to the panel, no LEDs, nothing on the screen. Nothing happens if I tap it. All right, so the Wi-Fi module gets installed on the left side of the panel. So when you're looking at it this way, and then there's going to be a little release tab there. I'm going to use a screwdriver to push that in. So we'll loosen that, you press that in, push up, that'll release the side cover here. And then this slot is where we're going to install the Wi-Fi module. So we have the module here, and how this gets installed is we're going to have this end facing us. So this hole here will match this screw. So before we put that in, let me remove the screw. Okay. Then we have a connector here. It's going to connect to a port in there. So simply insert the module. Okay, so have that inserted there, push all the way in. I can feel it secured, and our hole now matches up. So I'm going to put the securing screw back in. Okay, connected. And then we're going to put the side cover back on. Snap that into place, no gaps. And then we are going to provide power back to the panel. And power supply. And we'll place the cover back on. So just align the top there. Push it back into place. Okay, so secured, there's no gaps. Panel's going to power back on automatically. So if you have the PROWIFI module, that's going to allow your system to connect to your Wi-Fi network. That's useful if you want to have this connected for monitoring. And if you have the PROWIFIZW card, it also connects this to Wi-Fi, but you also then have the access to connect Z-Wave devices. So those are automation devices such as lights, locks, thermostats. They can connect to the panel and control through the panel as well. Okay, so we have the panel powered on. we're going to press the bottom 3 bars here. We're going to go to settings. Wi-Fi is showing, that's a good sign. We're going to enter in either the installer or the master code, 4112, our default installer code. We have the Wi-Fi networks option showing, and that's going to pull up the list of networks here. Perfect. So it's a good sign that the card is functional. I'm going to connect to our Wi-Fi here. Save. Okay, our password is entered. I'm going to connect. Connected. That's a good sign. Okay, back to the home screen. Okay, so that is how you install the Wi-Fi Pro Wi-Fi card into the PROA7 or PROA7 Plus panel. We tested that the connection was secured. We got this connected to Wi-Fi, and now we can have this set up for monitoring. If you did like the video, please like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and hit the bell icon to be notified about any future videos we release. If you have any questions for us, feel free to contact us. Our phone number is 888-818-7728. Our email address is support@alarmgrid.com. And if you come to our website, www.alarmgrid.com, we have a live chat feature there as well, so feel free to reach out with any questions. Again, my name is Dylan from Alarm Grid, and thank you for watching.